Okay, this is one of the most popular FPV drones in the world. Well, okay, maybe somewhere around tiny whoops, but still. And this cost me $1. Sorry, this thing, right here. It might be the most significant upgrade you can get for this drone, just for a buck. So let's find out if that's actually true. So yeah, that's a frame, a carbon frame for my favorite little whoop, the BetaFPV Air65. I'm going to swap the original plastic frame for this one and see if it makes any real difference. Oh my god, it's so cheap, but I'm ridiculously excited about it. I grabbed it on AliExpress, a bargain, isn't it? Oh, and keep in mind, BetaFPV is running 15% discount right now, link in the description. Alright, let's quickly weigh this. And... oh my god, the carbon version is actually lighter? I can't believe it, surprise surprise! Now, there is only one thing left to find out. How does it actually fly? And this is $1 upgrade really worth it? Let's go, shall we? Bench, which one is more attractive?
I don't know yet. I know this one. Let's try with this one.
It's happy to hear. Alright guys, now it's time for real test. Let's fly, but I have to say this is no longer just about comparing two versions of the same drone. This is more about my personal feel and the experience with it after installing the carbon frame. So what can I say, it definitely feels different. You can feel the stiffness of the frame, the way the drone responds. It's not the same behavior before. And the crazy part, I didn't change any settings, no tuning, no tweaks, nothing. Purely the carbon frame doing the thing. That's cool, really cool guys.